Hi guys, so we're in a bit of a different location because I'm busy filming for work, but it's like very exciting but something very top secret. So I'm just doing a little bit of an overview now that Formula One finals are over and done with what's next for Driving Bex. So I'm not going to go into too much details about Formula One finals, apart from the fact that in my first ever karting race, I came P2 with the fastest lap in the pouring rain as well. So that got me through to the final race on that day, where 16 of us battled it out and I became 11th. So I'm so happy about that because this was against pro karters as well, when I've done all my training in cars and stepped in a car like twice. So I'm walking away with my head held high in that, but that's all I'm going to say for now because there's some things that I don't particularly agree with and I am cutting my ties with Formula Woman. But Driving Bex on the grid doesn't stop there because I'm coming for bigger and better things this 2022, and the answer is yes, I'm going on the grid this year. I got my R's license just a couple of weeks ago. Video's coming soon. Next job is looking at all the options of seats that I've had and working out what's actually going to be the best plan for me. We're not just looking short term for this year, we're looking at the long run as well. So maybe something a bit lower just to learn my racecraft in and also build it up rather than jumping in the deep end and finishing last. So we're looking at things like Hyundai Cup and also Brit Car. So the next job is looking at sponsorship, getting my seat sorted and the car, which I cannot wait for. So you guys better stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, if you want to join the Driving Bex journey, like I say, this isn't a short-term thing. Get in touch for some sponsorship inquiries because we have lots of exciting things coming. And 2022 is going to be a big year. So that's kind of what's in the pipeline at the moment. Like I say, we are going to be in the grid this year. We've also got some single races, like definitely a couple in Brit Car with a couple of the other girls. We've got a C1 endurance race that potentially is going to be happening at Silverstone for 24 hours. That is going to be a challenge, but there's lots of exciting things to come and I cannot wait to get on the grid and make this the best year yet. So thank you guys for sticking with me for this journey for the last 8 months. Like I said, it's not stopping here. It's going to get bigger, it's going to get better, and I cannot wait for the things to come. So stay tuned. And you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.